quick engine shot. I know you can't see very well. I'll just give you a little view of the garage. We'll pan the camera around. There's our lawnmower. We got 2 weed eaters. One of them doesn't work properly. Garage door opener that I have a video on my channel. Super starter battery. I know I haven't made many car videos lately. This is the first time I've made a car video in a while. Besides doing battery tests, I haven't did a startup video in a long time. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed.